Hi everyone, my name is Noel, and for the past 30 years I have been a United Methodist pastor. And presently, for the past 13 years, I've been the pastor of Common Ground. It's 93 acres of sacred community space in Stanley, North Carolina, near Charlotte, North Carolina. And Common Ground has been I want to say magical, but a miraculous place where people found surprising connection to God and their neighbor and creation. We've learned that it's an uncommon sanctuary. It's a living sanctuary. It's a giant outdoor sanctuary with no walls and no doors. But after 13 years of serving here, God has opened up a new door for us. For 20 years, my wife Karen and I have been trailer sailors. And a few years ago, God opened a door for us to become owners of a new Seawind 1260 sailing catamaran. And so we've had her in charter for the past 2 years on the East Coast of the US. And starting tomorrow, we are entering into the cruising life. And we're excited, we're overwhelmed, we're nervous. We have so much to learn, going from trailer sailors to catamaran to sailors and full-time cruisers. But we're excited, and we have a sense that God is calling us to the ultimate common ground. Our oceans connect this world together and bind us together. And so it's our hope and our prayer that we can join with you and help cultivate the sea and among the sailing community and beyond, common ground, a place where people can connect to God, to the divine, and also connect to one another through God's creation. So we're excited. We're looking forward to joining you at sea, and you'll hear more from us in the days to come. But come along and watch us learn.